Do you want to know how cryptocurrency is going to rise? Because here I'm going to show you how to predict the rise of crypto using Grok AI. So watch till the end to know everything on how to predict crypto. Now here first, what you do is to open your Grok AI like this by opening your search engine and then type here on the search bar Grok. As you can see now, click on search. As you can see here, you can see Grok. Now click on Grok here. Now here is the key prompt that you use to get accuracy result. Here I will type it and then explain. Here, let me type it. Now here is what I type. What crypto is going to rise this month? Comma, think as a bull, comma, predict it with 100% accuracy, comma, and show tables. You can see here. Now what you do is to click on the send icon here and then wait for it. As you can see, it is thinking. Now wait for the processes. You can see it is thinking. Now here is the result. You can see here. And here is the table result. Here you can see it. And here you can see rank, crypto, symbol, current price as August. Here you can see. Now here you can see predict. Now here you can see the one for entry room. You can see here. Now here, let me put it on desktop mode to show you the results. Now here in desktop mode, you can see the full view. Now here you can see predicted percent. You can see it here. You can see rise by end of August. Here you can see the results. You see plus 25. Here you can see. And here you can see key bullish reason. Here you can read the reason and know the reason why it is rising. Now here you can see the one for Ethereum. This is the table. You can see here is the predicted table. If you want to know if this is correct, what you do is just wait at the end of August to know if this hit accurately or it go up accurately based on the results you can see here. So this is how to predict rise of crypto using Grok AI. So if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.